quite a bit more going on over here than the right fuselage. Same MGL screen in the center, displays all the engine parameters. We can flip that on, master switch is coming on. Got the comm radio. The MGL's spooling up, but it's displaying engine information for both M14s, as well as the jet engine in the center. We've got fuel quantities, just some simple volts, amps, flight time, that sort of thing. G meter, and then a digital readout of altitude and airspeed. I tried to retain a lot of the Russian elements from the Yak-55. As you can see, the Russian metric altimeter and airspeed. We got this super cool Russian clock. Just had to keep that. So you got the Russian clock and the Russian G meter in the panel. Over on the right side, all the switches for starting, for fuel systems, air systems, etc. And the mag switches. Here's the retain the Yak-55 Russian mag switches. Over to the left side, some switches for jet control, that sort of thing. Above that, we've got fuel shutoffs. 3 fuel shutoffs will go in these holes. Then propeller controls, so allow obviously RPM control as well as the ability to feather either M14. Some lights up on the dash, just indication, master warning, smoke system, igniter, and of course the comm radio. On the grip, some of these functions are yet to be determined, but we've got the smoke system on and off, trim, we've got a jet start and afterburner switch conveniently located right here. And then over to the throttles, we've got obviously 3 throttles, the 2 M14s, you got the left and right M14, and then the jet knob is just below. This actually came from the right side of the cockpit. Previously, this was used to control the shutters on the M14, provide basically to control the cooling air on the M14. We no longer need that function, so just repurpose the shutter knob as the jet throttle lever. Worked out quite nice. They really kind of fit in your hand quite nicely. I think it's going to work rather well. Push to talk on the throttle, again conveniently located. In this cockpit, save everything's quite a bit. Was basically gutted from when the airplane got here, completely stripped down, repainted. There's a bit more behind the panel on the left fuselage and the right fuselage. We've got some of the avionics, transponder, all those kind of components live forward to the instrument panel behind the firewall. That's the left cockpit of the Yak-110.